everyone, welcome back to part 4 of our Italy travel series. For our final stop, we are heading to stunning Dolomites. From Naples, we took a train to Verona where we picked a rental car. You can also start your drive to Dolomites from Milan or Venice depending on your travel route. For next 4 days, we based ourselves in Val di Funes, a beautiful valley surrounded by breathtaking mountain peaks. On day 1, we visited Tre Cime, one of the most iconic spots in Dolomites. Due to its popularity, the parking lot may fill up early in the day, so please plan accordingly. There are two famous trails to explore here. One is Gardena di Misurina and the more famous one, Tre Cime. Both trails start at this refugio. It looks something like this on a non-cloudy day. Tre Cime hike, 6.3-mile loop trail, is moderately challenging and very popular. This hike includes a series of refugio where you can stop for food and a drink. Whether you choose a short walk to admire the scenery or take a full loop hike, the view here are absolutely unforgettable. Next, we visited Lago di Braies, one of the most iconic lakes in Dolomites. The turquoise water, surrounded by mountain peaks, makes it a must-visit spot. You can take a peaceful stroll around the lake or rent a wooden boat for a dreamy experience on water. Next day, we made our way to Alpe di Siusi, the largest high altitude alpine meadow in Europe. Surrounded by breathtaking mountain peaks, this place feels like a dream. You can explore this place by hiking, biking, or even taking a cable car for stunning panoramic views. There is local bus service here, which will take you to various points within the region. Even though it was cloudy when we visited, we instantly fell in love with this place. We never expected it to be this breathtaking. We loved it so much that we are already dreaming of returning for a few days to hike and relax at this amazing place. Driving through Gardena Pass felt like stepping into a postcard. Winding roads, dramatic peaks, and breathtaking views are there at every turn. This scenic mountain pass offers stunning landscapes and plenty of spots to stop and take it all in. Whether you are driving, cycling, or hiking, the beauty of Gardena Pass is simply unforgettable. Our next stop was Seceda, one of the most iconic viewpoints in Dolomites. We took a cable car to the summit where we were greeted by this breathtaking panoramic views. When I first saw Seceda as a wallpaper on my work laptop, I knew I had to visit Dolomites to see these peaks in person. I must tell you, it was beyond words how incredible it felt to be there. Whether you hike the trails or simply soak in the scenery, Seceda is truly magical. And our final stop was seeing the sunset at Val di Funes. It was simply breathtaking. Although our visit to Lake Garda was very brief, we were amazed by how charming the towns are here. Lake Garda is a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. We would love to return here and explore more. Milan was our last stop before we headed back home. Hope you enjoyed this journey through Italy with us. If we had more time, we definitely would have added Tuscany and Florence to our plan. Please hit that like and subscribe button so you can easily find this video when planning your own trip. And if you haven't checked our other 3-part of Italy travel series, be sure to watch them. Let us know in comment section if you have any questions. We would be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.